Khusus pemula, kalimat tanya bahasa Inggris sehari-hari dengan kata tanya how disertai contoh jawaban. How are you? How are you? Bagaimana kabarmu? I am fine, thanks. I am fine, thanks. Saya baik-baik saja, terima kasih. How is your family? How is your family? Bagaimana kabar keluargamu? They are fine. They are fine. Mereka baik-baik saja. How old are you? How old are you? Berapa usiamu? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. Saya berusia 25 tahun. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? Berapa saudara kandungmu? I have one older sister and two younger brothers. I have one older sister and two younger brothers. Aku punya satu orang kakak perempuan dan dua orang adik laki-laki. How do you get to work? How do you get to work? Bagaimana kamu sampai ke tempat kerja? I take a bus to get to work. I take a bus to get to work. Aku naik bus ke tempat kerja. How can I help you? How can I help you? Ada yang bisa saya bantu? Oh, can you please help me lift this box? Oh, can you please help me lift this box? Oh, bisakah kamu menolongku mengangkat kotak ini? How tall are you? How tall are you? Berapa tinggimu? I am 170 centimeters. I am 170 centimeters. Tinggi saya 170 cm. How tall do you think this tree? How tall do you think this tree? Seberapa tinggi menurutmu pohon ini? I think this tree is around 10 meters tall. I think this tree is around 10 meters tall. Saya rasa tinggi pohon ini sekitar 10 meter. How about having dinner tonight? How about having dinner tonight? Bagaimana kalau makan malam? That is a good idea. That is a good idea. Itu ide yang bagus. How about going to the bookstore tomorrow? How about going to the bookstore tomorrow? Bagaimana kalau pergi ke toko buku besok? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? Tentu, kenapa tidak? How long does the flight take? How long does the flight take? Berapa lama penerbangan ini? The flight takes 2 hours. The flight takes 2 hours. Penerbangan ini akan memakan waktu 2 jam. How long will you go to Jakarta? How long will you go to Jakarta? Berapa lama kamu akan pergi ke Jakarta? I will go to Jakarta for 2 weeks. I will go to Jakarta for 2 weeks. Saya akan pergi ke Jakarta selama 2 minggu. How many days will we stay in this hotel? How many days will we stay in this hotel? Berapa hari kita akan menginap di hotel ini? We will stay in this hotel for 3 days. We will stay in this hotel for 3 days. Kita akan menginap di hotel ini selama 3 hari. How many students are there in this class? How many students are there in this class? Berapa banyak siswa di kelas ini? There are 30 students in this class. There are 30 students in this class. Ada 30 orang siswa di kelas ini. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? Berapa jumlah anakmu? I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Saya punya 2 orang anak. How much is your salary? How much is your salary? Berapa besar gajimu? My salary is around 3 million per month. My salary is around 3 million per month. Gajiku sekitar 3 juta per bulan. How much sugar do you want? How much sugar do you want? Berapa banyak gula yang kamu mau? Just a little, please. Just a little, please. Sedikit saja. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Berapa harganya? It costs around 50,000 rupiah. It costs around 50,000 rupiah. Harganya sekitar 50.000 rupiah. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? The weather is good. The weather is good. Cuaca hari ini bagus. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? Sudah berapa lama kamu berada di sini? I have been here for 1 hour. I have been here for 1 hour. Saya sudah berada di sini selama 1 jam. How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? Sudah berapa lama kamu bekerja di sini? I have been working here for 1 year. I have been working here for 1 year. Saya sudah bekerja di sini selama 1 tahun. How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? Bagaimana Anda akan membayar? I would like to pay by credit card. I would like to pay by credit card. Saya ingin membayar dengan kartu kredit. How was the party? How was the party? Bagaimana pestanya? The party was great. The party was great. Pestanya luar biasa. How does the cake taste? How does the cake taste? Bagaimana rasanya kue itu? The cake tastes delicious. The cake tastes delicious. Kue ini rasanya lezat.